Friends, the topic of my lecturate is global terrorism. Starting with what is terrorism, I think we all are aware what is it. When extremism meet violence in order to fulfill any political, social or religious purpose from the government, it results in terrorism. Well, India has been one of the biggest victim of these terrorist activities, starting from this century itself. In 2001, the Parliament attack. After that, the 2008 Mumbai terror attack, led by Lashkar-e-Taiba. After that, the 2016 Uri attack took taken place by led by Jashn-e-Mohammed, and the most recent one, the infamous Pulwama attack of 2019. You know what? What is the basic reason behind all these attacks? That is the religious extremism. The religious extremism towards the policy of Indian government. Now let's talk about what's going on in the world. What are the reasons? What were the root causes behind severe terrorist attacks? Surely the foreign policies is one of the biggest reason behind terrorist activities. The US military intervention in Islamic states of Middle East is one of the biggest reason behind 9/11 attack led by Al Qaeda. Even though the leaders of Al Qaeda, the leader of Al Qaeda, Osama bin Laden, was educated. He find out the economic disparity. He recruited people. He recruited people from poor society, poor part of society, and executed his attack. So the second reason is the poverty. Poverty. Let's take the example of Hamas. The place of Palestine, Gaza Strip and West Bank. The people who lives there are highly unemployed and uneducated. This is the reason they comes up in this groups and support terrorist activities. Now let's talk about what are the impacts of terrorism. First is the direct impact on civilians' life. Talking about the data of 2023, around 21,500 people lost their life due to this terrorist activity. The second impact